Hey, welcome back to Whitetailgarage. This weekend I'm going to take a look at the horn ring and the turn signal switch. I'm getting a lot of noise out of the steering wheel. I don't know if you can hear that. I thought it was bearing noise, but then the lights started flickering the other day, the last time we drove it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this thing apart, see what I can see as far as that electrical connection. I don't know if you remember, we've already replaced all this. It's a brand new steering wheel, brand new turn signal switch, and the bearing looked good and was greased. I don't have any play in the steering wheel at all, so really everything should be good. So I'm kind of interested to see what's causing that noise, and then again why it was flickering. So we're gonna jump right in and take a look at that now. Spring is still good. Horn ring connector still good. No issue there. Gotta get this nut off so we can see what's going on. So this steering wheel, which is a brand new steering wheel, already has a bent up horn ring in the center there. Not sure what's going on with that. And you can see these are already kind of tweaked. They're not supposed to be that messed up. I don't know if you can make that out. These two screws, I believe, yeah. These two screws take out the center ring, and then there's a screw down in there and a screw down there that take out the outer ring. I'm going to start by removing that center ring. Well, I don't see anything really bent on just the ring itself. So maybe the ring was just loose. Yeah, because now that it sets in there, it's sitting where it's supposed to. Try reconnecting these and see if we keep the same. These have a little nub, by the way, where they'll clip in and sit. And then this is the electrical connection. It does seem a little high on that side. I'm going to take it back out and just slightly tweak those tabs that you screw into there. See, they're already kind of bent, but let me see what I can do in the vise here. So looking a little closer here, you see these notches? You can actually feel them with your fingernail. Little focus. See all those notches? Those lines, those serrations? I'm not sure what would have caused that. I mean, it's really dug in there. So I'm going to sand this down Maybe that'll help to keep the contacts from maybe dragging right there. It's interesting. Slowly taking them away using a 220. You can't feel them anymore. They're still there a little bit, but I hate to take off too much. And it's a pretty thick piece of metal. I guess I can keep going. Well, that's where I'm going to end it. Like I said, you can still kind of see them, but you can't feel them anymore. You can't catch them with your fingernail anymore. So hopefully that doesn't cause any binding. Alright, ring is back in. I've sanded those grooves out, gave it a little bit of lube. So let's try this again. Not hearing the crunching that I was before. And I see the contact that it's making in the right spot. So theoretically we're good. This one kind of looks like it's bent or out of place, the top one to the yellow wire, but it doesn't seem to be like actually melted or anything. So seems to be less noisy now, so that's good. I'll put the horn ring back on. Now we connect the battery, test the horn. Okay, now we've got power. Let's test the horn. Horn works. No noise. That's fixed. Well, taking it for a test drive, me and my son, and steering wheel's not making any noise at all. So what I thought was a bearing noise turns out was just that turn signal switch, and it looked like those lines that I was pointing out, that may have been a manufacturer's defect, and I just didn't notice it before when I first installed the steering wheel because it was all nice and shiny and new. And now that it's had the time to get some dirt in it, you know, some grease and grime in it, it made it apparent. So I'm guessing that's what it is. You couldn't really tell anything that would have caused the lines there, so sanding it down seems to have fixed it. We're going to call that done. So pretty short video this week, but it's fixed. Fix something else on the list. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.